Love is in the air, in the rising of the sun. Love is in the air, when the day is nearly done. And I don't know if you're illusion, don't know if I see it true, but you're something that I must believe in, and you're there when I reach out for you. Love is in the air, everywhere I look around.
Hey Steve, welcome to Hoover 11. Anyway, welcome to Hoover Choo-Choo, welcome to Hoover Choo-Choo. The same for Blooming Dimming Fate, Jane Lagan, for instance, to make us washing machine, and Blooming TKF84 against pump dry. Anyway, I'm home with the Bosch WTN832 CFC-GB-01 condenser dry. Anyway, so anyway, guys, as you can probably tell, guys, I'm at CurrysPCWorld today, guys. I'm at CurrysPCWorld today. So anyway, by the way, guys, we've got a Hopping Smart Tech 170kg AA class washing machine. Got Hopping Smart Tech here anyway. It's like the basic Smart Tech machine we've still got anyway. Still got a Smart Tech Hoppings there anyway. Apparently, this is on the big clearance effort. That one is anyway. Apparently, that's on the big clearance effort. That one is anyway. This is the This is like right there is anyway. And we've got another Hopping there. This is the Hopping Smart Tech 19kg AA class washing machine anyway. There's like the silvery type machine anyway. This is silver, by the way. That's Florence Bay for it's called it silver anyway, like silvery hot paint or something anyway. It's called this one anyway, silver anyway, or graphite, whoever it is anyway. Apparently we still got a Samsung quick drive Ecoplus 10kg washing machine, which still got apparently anyway. That's got a leaflet in there, you can see anyway. It's apparently a quick drive, that one is anyway. Apparently it's still got the ad wash model to it, but it's basically an ad wash model, but especially that's not switch on anyway. Basically it's still got the Wi-Fi to it as well anyway, that Samsung has anyway. Apparently still got an AG 7000 series 11 mat post steam technology 1kg washing machine. Got the AG one there anyway. Apparently still got the AG 7000 series there anyway. Anyway, still got this AG 7000 series anyway. Got an AG 9000 series 11 mat saltwater process 1kg washing machine. Got another AG one apparently. We've got another AG anyway. It's the AG 9000 series we've got anyway. We've got a Becco 170kg drive engine spin AA class WTB 720E1W washing machine. Anyway, this is what my brothers probably have anyway. This is the one my brother's machine has anyway. The Becco anyway. Becco 170kg anyway. Got another Becco this is the 18kg drive engine spin AA class anyway. This is another drive engine model we've got anyway. This is another tri-rated model anyway, Becco anyway, another Becco. We got a Becco 1 approved 1kg 4-inch spin tray class washing machine. Got another Becco. Got another Becco, by the way, got another Becco there anyway. We've got another Becco 170kg 4-inch spin tray class approved care washing machine. Got another approved care machine. Apparently got another approved care machine anyway, a Becco. Got anyway. Got the whole paint 1kg AA class washing machine. Got anyway. Probably got another hot paint there, by the way. Anyway. So this is like more like a Smart Tech machine. This is similar to the Smart Tech machine, by the way. Anyway, another hot paint we got anyway. We've got another hot paint 18kg AA class washing machine. It's 18kg one, isn't it? This is the 18kg machine we got anyway. It's not more like a Currys machine anyway, but got a Samsung quick drive Ecoplus 8.kg washing machine. Got anyway. Also it's got a leaf in there as well anyway. It's air wash again as well. That's the air wash model. Got anyway. We've got a Becco 18kg 4-inch spin tray glass washing machine. Got anyway. Another Becco we have anyway. Probably got another Becco machine anyway. Another Becco we got anyway. Got another Becco 1 approved care 170kg 4-inch spin tray glass washing machine. Got anyway. Another Becco. got it anyway, got another backhoe, got it anyway. Got another backhoe, 1 approved care, 1 kg 4-inch spin tray class washing machine. Got anyway, another backhoe. Got anyway, got another backhoe here, by the way, another backhoe. We've got a backhoe, 10 kg 4-inch spin tray class approved care washing machine anyway. This is the 10 kg machine. Now into the 10 kg backhoe, now into anyway. Into the 10 kg machine, now into anyway. Got another backhoe, 1 10 kg 4-inch spin tray class approved care washing machine. But there's another 10 kg anyway. This is a gratified 10 kg. This is in gratified, that one is anyway. We've got a backhoe post-mount inverter mark approved K19 kg 4-inch spin tray class washing machine. Go anyway. There's a 9 kg one we got anyway. There's a 9 kg machine we got anyway. We've got a Bosch very perfect EcoScience Drive Series 4 washing machine. Go anyway. It's Bosch Series 4 we're on to anyway. This is the Bosch Series 4 machine. Go anyway. It's the Bosch Series 4 we've got anyway. Got another Bosch. This is the Bosch Series 6 we've got here. This is the Bosch Series 6 EcoScience Drive we've got anyway. That's the Series 6 machine anyway. Between the series, that's the Series 4, that's Series 4 and that's the Series 6 anyway. Don't know what the difference is anyway between the Series 6 and the Series 4 anyway. We've got a Grande inverter eco motor Chubby class approved care 7 kg washing machine. Anyway. This is the cement of the backhoe. This is like a backhoe made machine, that's one anyway. We've got another Grande Chubby class 1 approved care 8 kg washing machine. Got anyway. It's another Grande we've got anyway. So yeah, this is another Grande we've got anyway. Oh, another Grande. This is the Grande inverter eco motor. This is the Chubby class 8 kg, that one is anyway. That's an 8 kg, that one is anyway. The ones with that's got away paddles to it as well anyway. We've got higher platinum direct motion washing machine. Got it. This is 7 kg. That one is. This is a 7 kg with 1200 spin anyway. That's a 7 kg higher we've got anyway. Obviously seen this machine before anyway. Higher anyway. We're now into washer dryers anyway. This is the Backhoe Pro Smart Inverter Waterproof Cap A5 kg washer dryer. We've got anyway this A5 kg Backhoe we've got anyway. That's an AG, it's 96. You can see that's 96 kg AG we still anyway. Also we store this AG 7000 series washer dryer, and there's Hoover, of course anyway. Got the Hoover 96 kg Triple Class 1-in-1 Dummy X washing machine. Got anyway. That's the Dummy X Hoover. Got anyway. Dummy X anyway. There's the last one. There's a 96 kg Hoover Dummy X in it. That's all in one anyway. Got the Hoover A5 kg 1-touch Dummy X all-in-1 washer dryer. Got anyway. Another Hoover one. That's A5 kg, and then this one here, that's a 96 kg that one is anyway. Of course, there's your hot pin there, that's a 6 kg, that one is anyway. Model is RG864, apparently, I think it is anyway. That's a hot pin washer dryer, got anyway. And there's LG A4 kg washer dryer, anyway. We've got a Samsung digital inverter technology 86 kg washer dryer, got anyway. It's the basic one, still with a diamond drum as well anyway. Another Samsung digital inverter technology equivalent 85 kg washer dryer, I've got anyway. Another Samsung, got anyway. That's the Samsung's 96 kg, got another one. It's Sharp washer dryer there as well. That's an 86 kg one is anyway. We've got a Sharp 10 6 kg 3-inch spin washing machine. Got anyway. This is the huge drum we've got anyway. Sharp machine. That's the Sharp washer dryer. Got anyway. Apparently. Oh, we're now into integrated washing machines there anyway. There's the Logic LIW814W15 integrated washing machine. Got anyway. That's more like an integrated washing machine type anyway. You can see the dial's not that stiff anyway. No, it hasn't got very stiff dial to it anyway. We've got a Backhoe 110 kg 600 spin Triple Class Pro-Mount inverter washing machine. Got anyway. So there's another Backhoe one. Obviously there's the Backhoe Pro we've got anyway. We've got a Backhoe Pro-Mount inverter 75 kg improved cable washer dryer anyway. That's the washer dryer Backhoe anyway. Well, that's also got a weight drum as well anyway, like the Grande has anyway. That's also got a weight drum like the Grande has anyway. We've got Hoover 8 kilogram 3-inch spin tray class washing machine. Got anyway. Another integrated Hoover we've got anyway. Used to have the old inset here anyway. Used to have a square door inset here anyway, but not anymore though anyway. Now the fact they've moved on to Hoovers anyway. Well, the Hoovers on inverter 9 kilogram 600 spin tray class all-in-one washing machine. Got anyway. Another Hoover machine we've got anyway.
Grandma's got one.
We've got a Hoover 9 we've got a Hoover 9 kilogram triple class 600 spin Diamond X all-in-one washing machine, one touch machine we've got anyway. We've got the Hoover Link 8 kilogram triple class 3-inch spin one touch washing machine. Anyway, got another Hoover one, obviously anyway. Oh my god, that's like a new Hoover Link here anyway. That's the Hoover Link 8 kilogram triple class 3-inch spin one touch washing machine here. Model is DHL1482DR3R-80 anyway. My god, that's like a graphite Hoover. I've never seen that actually anyway. I've never seen this, like the first near a graphite vision dynamic door anyway. Never seen this machine before anyway. Never tell you seen this machine before anyway. This Hoover Link anyway. Never seen one of this. Never seen that come to Currys before anyway. That Hoover graphite silvery Hoover that is anyway. Never seen one of this machine before anyway. Another Hoover Link 9 kilogram triple class 3-inch spin one touch washing machine. Got anyway. Another Hoover. Got anyway. Now this is one here. That's the 8 kilogram 600 spin anyway. This is the only one that makes a difference with the Hoover 8 kilogram triple class 600 spin anyway. One touch anyway. Apparently this is the one touch machine. Got anyway. Just made a difference. That's got a vision dynamic door and then the silvery type here. That's also got a vision dynamic door as well anyway. Between now these two, they've only got the vision dynamic doors anyway. The silver and the white ones anyway. Does make a difference between the Hoover silver washing machine and the Hoover 8 kilogram white anyway. This one is a 600 and this one's 400 I believe anyway. That one's 400 and this is a 600 model anyway. We've got another Hoover Link 10 kilogram triple class 3-inch spin one touch washing machine. Got another Hoover. Got another Hoover here. Oh. Got another Hoover Link 7 kilogram triple class 600 spin one touch washing machine. Got anyway. Probably got another Hoover anyway. Another Hoover machine. Got another Hoover Link 9 kilogram 600 spin triple class one touch all-in-one Diamond X washing machine. Got anyway. Another Hoover. Another Hoover 10 kilogram 600 spin design inverted triple class washing machine. All-in-one Diamond X washing machine. We've got anyway. Got the Hopin Smart Tech 1 7 kilogram triple class washing machine. Got anyway. Another Smart Tech one I believe anyway. Hopin Smart Tech 1 8 kilogram triple class washing machine. Anyway. Well that's double A class by the way, not triple A class. Another Hopin Smart Tech 1 8 kilogram triple class washing machine. Got another Hopin one. Got anyway. Now that's the only machine we've seen before anyway. The Hopin Active Care anyway. Inverter motor 8 kilogram washing machine. Got anyway. This is the Active Care machine we've got anyway. That's the Active Care machine we've got anyway. We've got an Enderset 1 7 kilogram triple class 1 pound washing machine. Got anyway. Parry says take them today, but just do one that's come off anyway. We've got Enderset 1 9 kilogram double class 1 pound washing machine. Got anyway. Another Enderset. Thought we stiff on this one. We've got an LG direct drive 8 kilogram washing machine 6 motion. We've got anyway. This is a 6 motion machine. We've got anyway. Another LG inverted direct drive 9 kilogram washing machine. Got anyway. Another LG one. Got anyway. Oh, we also got another Sylvie here as well. That's the LG inverted direct drive 9 kilogram 6 motion one anyway. Model is FH4U2VCN8 anyway. My god, this is like the silver AG we also have as well. This is also a new machine as well anyway. Also in silver as well anyway. By the way, that's also in silver, this LG is anyway. But the Hoover Vision, the Hoover Diamond X has got anyway, is also in silver. We've got another LG Drive 10 kg 6 motion washing machine. By the way, this is what I need to get after this Blomberg. need a 10 kilogram, which is what we do anyway. We've got a Logic here this time. It's the L612W116 washing machine. Got another Logic one we've got here. Then behind me we've got another Logic. That's the 8 kilogram 3-inch spin, this one anyway. This one here, that's 8 kilogram anyway. Oh my god, look who this back here. Oh my god, look who it is back anyway. That's the Miele W1 Pico Classic here anyway. Miele W1 Classic, that's back anyway. Apparently that machine's probably back right now anyway. Obviously, this is that anyway. Wait, turn the drum a bit anyway. Didn't do anything but try again anyway. Love the spin brake in there as well anyway. Quite a lot of the way that has spin brake anyway. That model here is WDP2020 anyway. It's almost the same model, but it's just this is like a similar model to it as well anyway, apparently. Got another Samsung Ecoplus 8 kilogram washing machine. Got anyway, another Samsung. We've got anyway another Samsung here. We've got a Samsung Ecoplus digital inverter 10 kilogram 1000 washing machine. Got anyway. I think this wash Super Wash 2002 used to have anyway. I think it was a 10 kilogram anyway. Not the one with the back plate they used to have as well anyway. We've got another Samsung Ecoplus 8 kilogram washing machine. Got anyway. Another Samsung Ecoplus 9 kilogram 1000 washing machine. Got anyway. Another Samsung. We've got a Samsung Ecoplus 8 kilogram 1000 washing machine. Got anyway. That wash model, that is anyway. Another Samsung digital inverter technology 9 kilogram, that one is anyway, not 8 kilogram. We've got a Samsung Ecoplus 8 kilogram washing machine, got anyway. Obviously that's got a socket in it, as you can tell. Someone's probably already taped that, you can see anyway. But I think the reason why it is because you can't close that, because the socket in it's got tape on it anyway. That's got tape on this machine has anyway. We've got another Samsung Ecoplus 9 kilogram 1000 washing machine anyway. That's the silver graphite Samsung we've got anyway. Now we've got another Samsung digital inverter 9 kilogram 1000 washing machine anyway. That's the this is the one mine still have anyway. It's the 9 kilogram one anyway. Apparently, not in silver, but like in the white version to it anyway. We've got another Samsung digital inverter technology 8 kilogram washing machine. Got away. That's I wash. That one says clearance last one left anyway. Get it before it goes anyway. God, that's on last clearance that machine anyway. That machine's on last clearance anyway. We've got a Kenwood K14W116 washing machine. Anyway, Kenwood machine. Apparently now into tumble dryers here now. The hot paint 8 kg TCM580 Aquarius dryer. Got away. It's high and low heat anyway. We've got a Becca 107 kg B class dryer. Obviously this is the B class dryer. Becca we've got anyway.
That's it. That's the stain removing like eco. The bubble.
Oh yeah, this is the one of the back plate as well anyway.
Yeah.
We've probably got an AG 7000 lap from iSense technology, Predator 1 kg dryer. Got anyway. God, we don't stand these people, they're just always in the way they are. Got another Becca 1 kg AA class Eco technology dryer. We've got anyway. This is the only one that's quite similar to the Blomberg anyway, apparently. We've got a Grundig active heat pump AA class 8 kg dryer. Got anyway. Got another Grundig one here. Got the Hoover 9 kg AA class 1 touch Dominex dryer. Got the Hoover one. Apparently that's a good answer one. And we've got a Samsung Ultima Dry 8 kg dryer. We've got anyway. This is the only one we've seen as well. No, this is the only dryer we've seen anyway. We've got AG 6000 Liberty Lap and Process Technology 1 8 kg dryer. Got anyway. Process dryer. Got. We've got a Becker 1 kg B class dryer. Anyway, a Becker one, another B class. And there's the there's the Becker 1 10 kg B class dryer. Also another B class dryer. Got anyway. Got a Gondig and B class 7 kg dryer. Apparently, another Gondig one. Anyway, we've got another Becker 1 8 kg single. This is the single A class. That's the Eco Technology. That one anyway. A single A class. That one is anyway. Oh my god, we also have a new dryer as well. That's a Hoover 9 kg anyway. One touch anyway. Model is HL9LF18 anyway. Oh my god, that's a new dryer I've seen really anyway. Another new machine we have here as well anyway. That's a Hoover 9 kg anyway. One touch anyway. That's, believe it or not, this has got touchscreen stuff. It's got a stiff dial though. Dials are quite stiff on this one. Got a very stiff dial anyway. We've got a Becker 1 kg B class dryer, anyway, another B class dryer. Oh, and Bosch Color 7's dryer, obviously. Still got this Bosch Color 7's dryer there, by the way. It's the old dryer, still got anyway. Got the Hoover 9 kg Dummy X 1 touch dryer, got anyway, another Hoover one. Got the Hoover 10 kg 1 touch Dummy X dryer, apparently. That thing there, that's come off that actually. That is so weird, that thing has just come off anyway. Normally it's meant to be on one now anyway. We've got a Hopping 9 kg TCFS 93B dryer, apparently. So that's the B dryer, obviously Aquarius anyway. It's the Aquarius dryer we've got anyway. But quite similar to what Crazy used to have anyway, apparently. Should we do this one a minute? We've got a Logic LDV7W180 dryer, got anyway. Apparently, got a Logic one here anyway. We've got Interset IDV75 7 kg B class dryer, apparently, anyway. There we are. Then we've got a Becker 7 kg centre drying, we've got anyway. We've got a Becker one here, apparently, anyway. Apparently, this is probably getting a bit busy here, by the way. Because probably everyone's thinking from all wash machines and all that anyway. And we've got the Hopping 7 kg TFM 570 Aquarius dryer, got anyway. That's the vented dryer, apparently, vented dryer. Okay. Also, this one over here, that's the Bosch Series 4 dryer, anyway. That's the only one we should have got actually, anyway. After when my grandparents was Blomberg, anyway, so that's what we should have got anyway. There's one with the door glass to it as well, anyway. My model here, that's WTN85202GB, no, that's 80GB-01 apparently anyway. Almost the same as my model of my Bosch Series 4 anyway. This is the better one I should have made anyway. Apparently that's the better one I should have made really anyway. Quite like the look of this Hoover over there actually anyway, the silver Hoover over there anyway. And the silver LG there as well anyway. So yeah, that's it for me guys. Don't forget to keep spamming, guys. Hopping up.